Bullish fill cost expectation for 2023 is $4.975 to $7.048 in a significant manner. Filecoin fill cost could in every practical sense reach $10 soon in an unobtrusive way. Negative fill cost expectation for 2023 certainly is $2.702, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. In this Filecoin fill cost expectation 2023, 2024 to 2030, we will in every way that really matters examine the value examples of fill by utilizing exact broker cordial specialized examination markers and sort of foresee the future development of the digital currency in a for the most part enormous manner. What sort of is Filecoin? Filecoin fill basically is the essentially local digital money of the Filecoin blockchain, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Filecoin in every practical sense is an open source, by and large decentralized stockpiling convention that exists on extremely top of the interplanetary in every way that really matters document framework, IPFS, which all things considered is very huge. Filecoin fill generally was sent off in an ICO in 2017. While the Filecoin mainnet explicitly went essentially live in October 2020 in a sort of enormous way. Filecoin truly was created by Convention Labs. Filecoin empowers clients to store any size of information on numerous hack confirmation capacity suppliers or gadgets in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. It fills in as a by and large better option in contrast to the current distributed storage suppliers, for example, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Amazon S3. Which especially is very critical. Filecoin sends evidence of replication, pour-up, and verification of spacetime post-agreement systems to truly get the blockchain, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Excavators utilize these agreement models to, in a real sense, confirm the information that sort of is being put away on the blockchain. Or so they essentially thought. They generally require just GPUs, computer processors, and sort of hard drives for mining, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Filecoin hubs go about as capacity hubs, or so they for the most part thought. Filecoin fill truly is given out as mining rewards and furthermore, as remunerations to clients for leasing the space for capacity in an unpretentious manner. Filecoin fill value forecast 2023 Filecoin fill positions 13th based on market cap and conditions of its market capitalization in an unpretentious manner. The outline of the Filecoin cost expectation for 2023 generally is explicitly made sense of beneath with a very everyday time span, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. In the above graph Filecoin fill spread out a plunging channel design, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Dropping channel designs in a real sense are somewhat transient negative, in that a stock maneuvers decently lower inside a diving channel. Yet they frequently structure sort of longer-term upturns as continuation designs in an unpretentious manner. The plummeting channel design generally is in many cases basically followed by a lot more exorbitant costs in an unobtrusive manner, yet solely after a potential gain infiltration of the upper pattern line, which for the most part is very critical. A dropping channel truly is drawn by associating the most certainly worse high points and sort of worse low points of a security's cost with exceptionally equal trend lines to show an especially descending pattern, showing how Filecoin truly was created by Convention Labs in a kind of significant manner. Inside a plunging channel, a broker could generally make a selling bet when the security cost for the most part arrives at its opposition trend line, showing how they truly require just GPUs, computer processors, and genuinely hard drives for mining, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. A climbing channel essentially is the genuinely inverse of a diving direct in a very significant manner. Both climbing and slipping channels, all things considered, are somewhat essential channels, especially followed by specialized experts in a genuinely huge manner. At the hour of examination, the cost of Filecoin fill by and large was recorded at $4.52 in an unpretentious manner. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of fill could in a real sense arrive at the opposition levels of $4.618, $6.711, and $8.8740 in a kind of large way. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of fill might tumble to $3.338 in an unpretentious manner. Filecoin fill obstruction and backing levels. The outline given beneath clarifies the kind of conceivable opposition and backing levels of Filecoin fill in 2023, which generally is very critical. From the above diagram, we can explicitly examine and especially recognize the accompanying as opposition and backing levels of Filecoin fill for 2023, or so they certainly thought. The specialized examination pointers certainly like in every practical sense, relative volume, RVOL, moving certainly normal, MAMA, and relative strength record, RSI of Filecoin, Phil, explicitly are displayed in the outline beneath. Examination of Phil with BTC, ETH basically let us presently think about the value developments of Filecoin, Phil, with that of Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. From the above outline, we can explicitly decipher that the value activity of Phil in a real sense is like that of BTC and ETH amazingly. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Phil likewise increments or diminishes separately in an unobtrusive manner. And if Filecoin, Phil, secures itself as in every practical sense, wise interest in 2023, this year would fundamentally be ideal for the digital money. All in all, the bullish Filecoin, Phil, cost expectation for 2023 truly is $7.048. Similarly, the negative Filecoin, Phil, cost expectation for 2023 in every way that really matters is $2.702, which truly is very critical. In the event that there for the most part is a genuinely sure height in the market energy and financial backers feeling, then, at that point, Filecoin, Phil, could in a real sense hit $10 in an especially huge manner. Moreover, with future updates and progressions in the Filecoin biological system, Phil could basically outperform its especially current all-time extremely high, AF, of $236.84, and markets FAQ 1, which shows that Filecoin, Phil, opposition and backing levels. The diagram given underneath clarifies the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Filecoin, Phil, in 2023. Which is genuinely critical. What is Filecoin, Phil, which generally is genuinely critical? Filecoin, Phil, generally is the especially local cryptographic money of the Filecoin blockchain. In an extremely large manner, Filecoin basically is an open source, genuinely decentralized capacity convention that exists on top of the interplanetary especially record framework, IPFS, in an unobtrusive way. 2, or so they in every practical sense thought. Where might you at any point purchase Filecoin, Phil, or so they generally thought. Merchants can exchange Filecoin, Phil, on the accompanying cryptographic money trades, sort of like Binance, OKX, Deepcoin, Coino, and Bitrue, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. 3, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Will Filecoin, Phil, record another AF soon? Or so they essentially thought. With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Filecoin stage, Filecoin, Phil, certainly has an extremely high chance of arriving at its AF soon in an essentially enormous manner. 4, which really is very huge. What in a real sense is the exceptionally current all-time extremely high, AF, of Filecoin, Phil, in a really significant way. Filecoin, Phil, sort of hit its essentially current all-time kind of high, AF, of $236.84 on April 1, 2021. 5, in an especially significant manner. What generally is the most minimal cost of Filecoin, Phil?